It's about time we talk about Workspace. Workspace is a stored arrangement of tools on screen. Once you know the way tools are arranged in a particular workspace, you can easily access the tool you need. You can also arrange your AutoCAD tool the way you want them and save those arrangements as a workspace. Go up to Workspace Rollout option on your toolbar. Drafting and annotation workspace is for any 2D work, while 3D modeling has a full collection of 3D modeling and rendering tools. To create a workspace, go to your interface and arrange your tool the way you want them to be. Like the palette we set earlier on, you can still click and drag any frequently used command set, then go to the Workspace drop-down menu and choose Save Current As. Name your workspace and save. Anytime you make changes to your saved workspace, go to the Save Current As option and select the workspace you are using to override to the new configuration. Let's briefly look at the option dialog box. Go to the application menu and click on Options. This will be a brief walkthrough of the options. No major change will be made for now. This option dialog box is organized into tabs. We will only look at the Open and Save tab and 3D Modeling tab. If you are using 2021 version of AutoCAD to do a project which a colleague using 2007 version of AutoCAD is going to work on, saving this project on this 2018 default format will make it difficult for the one using 2007 AutoCAD to work on the project. You get a scenario whereby the file you sent to the colleague can't open on his own AutoCAD. So you can choose the format you know will be best for you guys and set it as the default format. On the 3D Modeling tab, you can choose to hide the view cube if you are only going to work on 2D. This you can do by unchecking this, then click Apply. But I do need the view cube, so I'll add a check mark back and click the Apply button again. The more familiar you become with AutoCAD, you can at will revisit this option dialog box and fine-tune it to your needs.